How to download the statements on your Commonwealth Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download the statements of your CommBank app. So to do that, first of all, open the CommBank app on your mobile device and simply log into your account. Now, once you've logged in, tap on the Accounts tab on the bottom side of your screen. Now, once you've done that, tap on the account of which you want the statements for. So in my case, I'll simply choose my Smart Access account. Now, once you've done that, simply tap on the option More and then tap on the option Statements. Now, once you've done that, you will see the list of all your different available statements of your account. Now, once you've done that, simply choose the month of which you want the statements for. So in my case, let me simply choose May of 2024. Then I'll tap the download option on the right side. After that, you can choose a specific format. You can simply choose a PDF or a CSV format. For now, I'll simply choose PDF and then tap on the option download. Now, once you've done that, you will have successfully downloaded the statements on your CommBank app. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.